Welcome back, friends. This video will be a little bit different than my introductory video. I have actually created a unit plan for you guys, and we'll be talking about waves in this unit 1. We will discuss different types of waves, and there will be a activity that you will do for that. We will talk about wave patterns. You see here in the picture how there are different patterns of a wave and how it can look different. We will have activities for you as well for that. Wave properties is another thing we will talk about. That's another way of saying parts of a wave. And here in this diagram we have a wave, and we have it labeled with each part of the wave. At the end we will together make wave models based on what we see here. And at the very end there will be a quiz, a very short quiz on the parts of a wave. I look forward to this unit plan, and I hope you all do your best.